Today, the perfect method for rich, deep chicken stock. So let's do it. First up, you can't make a good chicken stock without a lovely chicken carcass. Best way is always to use a roast chicken carcass, and the other day I made a lovely chicken soup. So with this roast chicken, I'm going to strip away all of the meat and then stick the carcass aside for our stock. And to add to the chicken, first ingredient is some celery. So take a few stalks of your celery, make sure you've given it a quick rinse, and just chop your way through it 2 or 3 times, not too small. And then some lovely carrots. No need to peel them, just give them a quick rinse, and then chop your carrots about the same size as your celery, nice and chunky. And then you want some onion. Very simple, just chop your onion in half and stick that into the bowl with the celery and carrot. Leave on the skins, this will just add more flavour. And then you want a bulb of garlic, and quite simply just chop your garlic in half, no messing about. And then you're going to want some butcher's twine, and for our bundle of herbs we're going to want some sage, we want some beautiful rosemary, a few sprigs of some thyme, we want some fresh coriander and a little handful of parsley. Tie together your bundle of herbs and then stick that into the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. And do not forget a couple of nice bay leaves. You can use dried or fresh bay leaves, it is up to you. And now we're ready to go. So stick a really nice large saucepan onto the hob and then chuck in your beautiful chicken carcass. And then go in with your bundle of herbs, chuck in a few halves of your onion, throw in that garlic, pop in a few stalks of your celery and a good handful of carrot, and then in with your bay leaves. And my rule of thumb for a perfect rich chicken stock is to pour in as much water so it just about covers the ingredients. You can use more, you can use less, but I find this gets me the most perfect stock. And the first step, we want to bring the water to a boil. As soon as it's boiling, leave it for about 2 minutes, and then you want to turn down the heat so it's on a nice gentle simmer. And once your stock is simmering away, my second rule of thumb is to leave it between 2 and 2.5 hours. And after this amount of time, generally the stock will have reduced by about 1/3. And then you want to take another saucepan, a sieve, and then you want to drain out the chicken stock, removing any little bits you've got in there. You can season the stock if you want, or you can season the dish that you're going to cook with it. So give it a try, and I'll see you next time.